This video will help you understand how to use the Freshcaller integration to manage your phone conversations from within your Freshdesk account. Login and onboarding. Once your manager adds you as a Freshcaller agent to his Freshdesk account, you can start using Freshcaller to make and receive calls. You can use your Freshdesk login credentials to log into both your Freshcaller and Freshdesk accounts. Log into your account by filling in your email ID and setting a password. A successful login will take you to your Freshdesk account. Go to the bottom left of your screen to find your Freshcaller call icon. From now on, all your calls can be managed from here. On clicking the call icon, the widget expands to show you the recent calls, your current number in use, and other functionalities. We are going to check how this widget can be used to handle all your phone conversations from within your Freshdesk account. Setting your availability status. Your current status can be seen as a colored dot on the top right corner of the widget. Set your most convenient status of availability to help route calls to available agents. Selecting a preferred phone number. The number that's currently in use is displayed right on top of the widget. You can choose a preferred number from amongst the list of numbers available to you. Click on it to switch to another number. These numbers are made available to you by your admin. To choose a number other than the ones visible to you, you can check with your admin. Making calls. The first time you make a call, you need to grant access to your browser to use your computer's microphone. Make sure you click Allow on the pop-up window that comes up. Viewing your recent calls. To redial or get back to a customer who might have called you a few minutes ago, use the Recent Calls section. You can find your 3 most recent calls listed within the widget for your convenience. Searching for contacts. If you want to call your contacts, or even an unsaved number, you just need to key in the name or number in the search bar of the widget. If it's a saved contact, the contact's name gets listed automatically. When typing in a phone number, ensure that you also enter the country code as a prefix. Example: to call a German number, add +49 as a prefix. Now you can directly call your contacts from within the widget using the call button. To make a call, you just need to click on the call icon present against the call. On making the call, the status of your call, if connected or not, can be seen from the widget. Once your contact picks up your call, the widget expands and you see the duration of the call at the top of the widget. Basic functions that can be used while on call. Basic functions like putting your call on hold, muting the call, transferring, taking notes, etc. are listed at the bottom fold of the widget. Adding notes. Every call is different and will touch upon multiple queries and doubts. Making note of the highlights of your call is the best way to not miss out on important details. You can set a clear context of the call by adding notes for your own reference and also before transferring a call to another agent. Transferring calls to agents or teams. During some phone conversations, you might feel that another agent might answer a few queries better. You can transfer your call, ongoing, to your colleague or even an external number from within the widget. Also, you can get to know if your transferred call has been picked up or not. Sometimes all agents might be unavailable to pick your call. If the transferred call goes unattended, you can resume the call and try to transfer it to another agent. Conference calls. Sometimes you might want to continue on the transferred call along with your colleague. You can ask the other agent to join you on a conference call. Converting your calls to tickets. Apart from being able to see the recent tickets and calls, You can also convert your current call into a new ticket or add it to an existing ticket. This will come in handy for a prompt follow-up and keeping a collated record of your customer's journey. Creating a new ticket. On clicking the Create New Ticket option, a new ticket is created and gets listed instantly in the Recent Tickets view. Successful creation of a ticket is indicated by a green tick against the ticket. You can click on the newly created ticket and modify the fields based on the caller's needs. Once you click the ticket in the widget, the ticket details page opens up. You can also edit the contact's details, add notes, or other ticket details from here. Receiving a call. When you receive a call, the widget will open up with a name of the contact, if saved, and the number. Viewing recent tickets of the contact. Once you pick your call, you can update yourself with details like the previous tickets and the queries of the contact who is on the call using the Recent Tickets option. Viewing recent calls of the contact. Similar to the Recent Tickets view, you can also refer to a list of recent calls associated with the contact. Missed calls to tickets. Every missed call or a voicemail is automatically created as a new ticket in your Freshdesk account. This helps you reduce the instance of missing out on calls. You can easily return the call or respond to the voicemail once you are active to make calls. Viewing your call metrics. To see the entire list of calls in your system, click on View All, and you'll be directed to your Freshcaller account's Call Metrics tab. In Freshcaller, you can play individual call recordings, check call notes, understand the entire conversation history of a particular customer or prospect, and much more. So, getting started with Freshcaller is pretty easy and straightforward. Let us know if you require any additional documentation on learning the phone capabilities enabled by Freshcaller inside your Freshdesk account. You can always reach out to us through email, support@freshcaller.com.